Hello friends, my name is Sanjay Singh and I'm your sales coach. Friends, I'm really excited to come and meet all of you on the 24th of August from 5 to 7 p.m. A program on the science of sales, especially for Jito members in Nagpur. And what will be covered in this program? In the science of sales, we will talk about how do you do demand forecasting in your business, and after having done your demand forecasting, how do you typically answer questions like how many salesmen you need to achieve your targets, what kind of salary you should give to your salespeople, how do you incentivize your salespeople, how do you ensure that your customers stay loyal to you, how do you ensure that your competitors do not churn away customers from you, how do you avoid attrition of customers from your baseline, and how do you monetize the lifetime value of a customer? Yes, friends, these and many more questions we will together jointly try and answer for all Jito members on the 24th of August, Saturday, from 5 to 7 p.m. at Strategic Concepts, Dharampet, Nagpur. See you.